How to block and unblock contacts on Signal. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Signal app on your device. Click on the chat of the person you want to block. Now click on their name at the top. After you click on their name at the top, in their profile, click on Block User at the bottom. After you click on Block User at the bottom, press on Block. After you press on Block, the person will be blocked. Now, if you want to unblock a person, go to the main page and click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. In your profile, scroll down and click on Privacy. After you click on Privacy, on your profile, click on Blocked. After you click on Blocked in here, you'll find all the blocked users. Simply select the blocked person and press on Unblock at the bottom. After you press on Unblock at the bottom, you're good to go. This is how to block and unblock contacts on Signal. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.